Let me show you how to create double exposure romantic silhouette effect in Photoshop. First, go to File, Place Embedded, and place second image. Decrease the opacity to 50%. Click and drag handles to resize and position the model. Hit Enter or Return once you're satisfied. Set the opacity back to 100%. Go to Select, and Subject. Go back to Select, and Inverse. Click Add Layer Mask icon. Click the FX icon and choose the color overlay. The color, black. The blend mode, normal. And the opacity, 100%. Then click OK. Go back to File, Place Embedded, and place your couple image. Decrease the opacity to 50%. Click and drag handles to resize and position the couple image. Hit Enter or Return when you're finished. Set the opacity back to 100%. Open your Object Selection tool. Under the mode, select Lasso. Now, create a loose selection around the grass and the model. Click Subtract from Selection. Click Add Layer Mask icon to remove the background. Go back to the FX icon and choose the color overlay. And then click OK. Open your brush tool. Select the layer mask of the model layer. Make sure the foreground color is white. Paint with white to reveal their model background. And this is the result.